Eco-sociology for global environmental problems. Eco-sociology, very beautiful, very interesting and the emerging term in the debates of sociology. Environmental sociologists used to study this term, used to write this term, used to highlight this term, used to discuss this term on the international debates, forums, discussions, roundtable discussions, media channels, media debates. So this is the important debate of today, that is the eco-sociology, to understand, to address the global environmental issues and problems. Environmental issues and problems in terms of eco-sociology are global in nature as well, the local in nature as well, and the regional in nature as well. The focus of this field is the relationship between the society and environment. In the eco-sociology, professional used to understand the relationship between the ecology and the society, between the nature and the society, between the environment and the society. How much it is important to study, to understand the relationship between environment and the society, how society collectively understand an environmental issue and problem, how much the society specifically is ready to respond to that sort of problems. Either that is some sort of policy making, legislations are there. If not, which type of policy issues are under discussions, at which level political commitment is there to understand the eco-sociological aspect in terms of the environmental problems. Environmental sociologists place special emphasis on studying the social factors that cause environmental problems. In eco-sociology debates, environmental sociologists try to understand the social factors that contributing toward the environmental problem. Sometimes the maximum driving, the maximum automobiles and the vehicles, the economic activities, the process of industrialization, the human unawareness towards certain issue and problem. अगर हम अपनी जो आबी हयात है उसको देखें तो बहुत से लोग जो सी है, स्पेशली इंडस में फिशिंग करते हैं, वहाँ बहुत सी ऐसी मछलियों की इकसाम हैं जो नापीद होने का ख़तरा है, जिनके ख़त्म होने का ख़तरा है. तो वहाँ लोगों की अगर अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है कि ये मछली हमें इसे किल नहीं करना, इसे नहीं पकड़ना, इसकी नस्ल ख़तरे में है, तो इसका मतलब है कि वहाँ प्रॉब्लम है सोसाइटी के और इन्वायरमेंट के रिलेशनशिप में. Human beings are unable to understand the intensity of the certain environmental issue and problem. The societal effects of environmental problems and efforts to solve the problem. The societal impacts of environmental problem, what are the societal impacts for that specific environmental problems, and what are the efforts to solve the problem. How to solve these issues and problems, what एफर्ट्स नीड टू बी डन, कौन सी एफर्ट्स होनी चाहिए, किस लेवल पे होनी चाहिए, किसी पॉलिसी मेकिंग के लेवल पे, किसी पॉलिटिकल लेवल पे, सोशल लेवल पे, लेजिस्लेटिव मैनर्स में, पार्लियामेंट के लेवल पे. इन सारी जो कोशिशें हैं, दैट इज द गवर्नेंस वन, द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन साइड, द प्रोफेशनल साइड, द रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट साइड, ऑल दीज लीड्स टू सॉल्व द environmental issues and problems.